Thank you. Ese es ghetto. No cap?
No cap.
We don't have.
Right now. Oh my God.
Sorry.
No bueno.
No.
Ay, ay, ay.
Yeah.
At this point, I'm heavily debating on just unassigning from this order because this giant drink jug has no lid, and she just tied a bag on the end of the nozzle to make it work. It is in its own bag, and she tied it pretty well, so I decided that I was just gonna do it anyway. Plus, it's a stacked order with a pizza, and I don't know which one is like the more valuable order, so I just decided to take it and risk it. Okay. For all you dashers out there that don't know, pizza is literally the worst thing to get. It takes 30 minutes from start to finish to make a pizza. It's always not ready on time, and it's tough to fit it in your bike basket. Yeah. Oh, shocker. The pizza's not ready yet.
One eternity later.
Thanks. Alright folks, this is the moment I've been waiting for. I packed these bungee cords exactly for this reason. When we have so much stuff, the basket's overflowing and we have a frickin' pizza. Yeah, getting that value from these bungee cords. That thing ain't going nowhere no more. We are ready to rock. Well, that giant jug of lemonade ended up not being a huge issue. It didn't spill a drop in the bag, but that customer is going to realize that there's no cap on there. Whatever, they still get the yummy liquid inside. And it turns out that in the stacked order, the pizza was only $4 and the giant jug of lemonade was $7. So if I canceled that, I'd be going all this way for just $4. So, we lucked out. I'll catch you next time on the next video. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Gang, gang, gang. Dashers out. Dash gang. Uber Eats gang. You know what we about.